Welcome to Tiny Learners TV. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories. Thank you. 100,000 whys. Why do plant leaves change color?
The process of plant leaves changing color in autumn reflects the physiological changes plants undergo to adapt to seasonal variations. As daylight hours shorten and temperatures fall, plants gradually reduce chlorophyll production, a key pigment for photosynthesis. Without the green color of chlorophyll to mask them, the yellow and orange pigments act as carotenoids and xanthophylls become visible. Additionally, some plants produce red anthocyanins as a protection against intense sunlight, adding to the rich colors of the autumn landscape.
Why do plants need water?
Water is vital for plants. It's not only indispensable for photosynthesis, which converts water and carbon dioxide into oxygen and glucose, providing energy for growth, but also serves as a medium for transporting nutrients within the plant. Water is absorbed by the roots and moves up the stem to the leaves, where some of it evaporates through the stomata in a process called transpiration, helping to regulate plant temperature and sustain life activities.
Why do some plants close their leaves at night?
The movement of plants closing their leaves at night, known as nyctinasty, is a response to light cycles, particularly to sunset and sunrise. This action helps plants retain moisture at night by reducing water loss through the stomata on their leaves. Additionally, closing leaves can protect plants from cold temperatures and herbivores. This behavior is especially common in legume plants and illustrates how plants adapt to their environment.
Why do flowers have different colors?
The diversity of flower colors is a marvel of nature, designed to attract specific pollinators like insects, birds, and even bats. Different colored flowers reflect different wavelengths of light, which is attractive to the visual systems of pollinators. For example, bees can see in the purple spectrum, while birds may be more attracted to bright reds and oranges. This symbiotic relationship promotes plant reproduction and ecosystem diversity.
Why do plants grow towards the light?
Phototropism, the phenomenon of plants growing towards light, allows them to maximize the efficiency of photosynthesis by capturing as much sunlight as possible. This ability to grow towards light is crucial for plants to capture enough sunlight for photosynthesis, producing the necessary nutrients for growth. Phototropism demonstrates how plants adapt their physiological changes to their growing environment.
Why can tree roots damage sidewalks?
Tree roots have a powerful growth force as they expand in search of moisture and nutrients. As roots expand beneath hard surfaces, they can exert enough force to push and eventually break through man-made structures like concrete or paving stones. This power shows how the force of nature can alter or even destroy human-made environments, highlighting the need for urban planning and green spaces to accommodate tree growth.
Why do plants start to grow in spring?
Spring marks the beginning of new life in nature. With rising temperatures and increasing daylight hours, plants awaken from winter dormancy and start a new growth cycle. Spring conditions promote seed germination and new shoot growth, with plants actively engaging in photosynthesis to store energy for the upcoming growing season. This cyclical process reflects the adaptability and vitality of plants to seasonal changes.
Why do ants climb on flowers?
Ants are attracted to the nectar and pollen on flowers, providing them with rich food sources. Ants crawling on flowers not only seek food for themselves, but also facilitate pollination among plants, aiding in plant reproduction. Although ants are not the primary pollinators for all plants, their role in the ecosystem showcases the complex interactions between different species.
Why do plants sway even when there's no wind?
Plants may sway due to internal pressure changes caused by water transport or uneven expansion during growth. Even in the absence of wind, Rapidly growing parts may shift the plant's center of gravity, causing movement. Additionally, the uneven distribution of water within the plant can lead to subtle movements. These subtle sways reveal the dynamic nature of plant growth and the continuity of life activities.
Why can some plants grow in barren soil?
Some plants, like cacti and other succulents, have adapted to survive in environments with limited water and nutrients through evolutionary adaptations. Their ability to grow in barren soil is due to their special physiological structures, such as thick leaves that can store water and robust root systems that can reach deep water sources. These plants' adaptive strategies not only allow them to survive in harsh environments, but also add to the diversity of ecosystems.